Hey guys, my name is Shanu and I'm a part of OneSub support team. In this video, I will show you how to export your booking reports in OneSub so you can keep a track of all your booking activities. So let's go. Once you log into your OneSub account, you will see your home screen. From here, you need to click on the activities from the left, which has a small clock icon. Once you click on it, you will see all the bookings on your account. Now you can click on this export link at the top right to export your reports in CSV or Excel format. If you need to apply filters before exporting, you can click on this filter option and then filter by different parameters. For example, if I want meetings, all the meetings for this month, then I can click on this meetings, then meeting time in this month and click on done. So you will see all the meetings in this month. Now you can click on this export icon and select whichever file you want. So yeah, that's it. You are all set now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.